Now it's available at McCarthycars Mercedes B-Class diesel, 58 plate 2008, metallic black. Car has front headlight washer, front fog lights, front parking sensor, 18-inch AMG alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX child seat preparation, for electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, Harman Kardon premium sound system, full electric seats, front auto headlights, electric glass roof. Car has satellite navigation. It's got 6 CD changer, slot memory card, telephone, Bluetooth connection, media interface, MP3, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, central cup holder. It's got telephone connection, multifunction steering wheel, voice command. It's got cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.